Diversity is an iceberg. On the surface, we see gender diversity, age, nationality, color, etc. But when you deep dive, you get a real meaning of diversity, which is diverse skill sets, aspirations, mindset, and beliefs that make people unique. Through diversity and inclusion initiatives, we are trying to create an organization where individual differences are respected and appreciated.
I'm very happy to see that last 2 years, we have doubled the diversity representation through various initiatives like unconscious bias, and this has enabled us to create inclusive culture in Motion India.
This is the culture throughout the organization that each and every employee, be it male or female, the company makes it a point to make them feel equally valued.
Having a global footprint, ABB has been with me throughout my career journey. I had a chance to work in ABB Sweden and Finland during my master's tenure. My job role in ABB is pretty challenging, and there is a lot of new learning happening every day.
ABB is a place which makes you believe in yourself.
Being a mother of 2 kids and a project manager, I really appreciate the work-life balance, which enables me to manage my work efficiently even without a second thought.
We continue our commitment in creating a culture where everyone has an equal opportunity to grow, develop, and succeed in the organization.
I joined ABB as a trainee, grow as an engineer, senior engineer, and now manager operations. In last 31 years, ABB has given me enough space for learning, development, and an opportunity to implement new ideas.
I'm in ABB for last 13 years. I have got many opportunities to grow within the company. I have seen in Motion, real talent is always recognized and it is motivated to take higher challenges.
I feel proud to be a controller of one of the largest factories of ABB India.
We have been walking the talk on diversity and inclusion. From where we started a few years back and now where we are, I am extremely proud of a proactive approach to the D&I initiative. Our major focus has been on gender diversity. For us, it's not about only the numbers, but a holistic approach to create a culture wherein new ideas and individuals thrive for the success.
It is very evident that D&I has gone beyond HR initiative and has now become a business need. In Motion, our leaders believe that D&I is not simply a right thing to do, but a smart thing to do.